Howdy, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm at the 1520 at the Heights. 1520 at the Heights. This is a beautiful two-bedroom apartment here. It really does have everything you would want in an apartment. It's got a beautiful kitchen. The kitchen is just gorgeous. I mean, look at this kitchen. It's got a gas stove that's here. And then it's also got so much space in here. You've got 2 or 3 spots that can go under there. You've got spots for 4 more here. You've got 3 over here. So 4, 3, that's 9 or 10 spots that you'd have in this apartment. And you've got a computer desk. This is amazing. It's a really pretty apartment. You also have a gorgeous bedroom. The bedroom looks like this. You've got a stunning bathroom. The bathroom is dual sink, a huge closet. Great shower in there. I mean, you've really got everything. And it's very recently built. It's in a great location in the lower heights. Hey, let's take a tour. That's what I would do. I would take a tour, send a text to me and just go, hey, Grant, just say hi. And we can chat about apartments. We can set up a tour of this apartment and even include a few others if you like. And it's always 100% free to do that. Send me a text, just say hi and use the number below.